The Militaw. Good things come in small packages, and this one is no exception. Take a look at how beautiful they made this one look. Inside of it, we have the following. It says Militaw, which has nothing to do with the military, but it looks really nice and fancy on the inside. So what do we get inside the box is pretty much very nice wrap for this. So you can just put this inside here, or you can use this to go ahead and wipe your knife in case you go and need to. In case it gets dirty, this is exactly what it's for. Now, inside of it, there is a few other interesting things that are included as well, which is really fancy looking stickers. I really like those because they're much better than previously we got before, and they're really high-end stickers. You can feel them, you can feel they're nice and quality, and it even says best wishes, Merry Christmas, Halloween, and so on. So I really like this addition to this. It also includes what we usually get with Kizer itself, and we also getting those extra holiday glitter as well, plus some other things too here. Now, best wishes for you. You can definitely sign this up and give this to somebody. And of course, as usual, we get this thing, the actual thing that you really need to wipe your knife in case you want to, which is fancy as well. So I really like this added addition to this. So we have a lot of interesting things that are included with the Militaw's knife here, and we have the knife in general. So let's go ahead and check out the knife. And why should you consider getting this one versus all those other different knives that are available on the market today? So this knife is good because there's a lot of good things going forward. First off, nice small size. It is great for fidgeting as well. When it comes to opening them up, you open up super easy and fast, and I like that. Grabbing it is easy as well. There is no hot edges to this. There is dripping on the top. I don't know what you call it, but this is really nice. And of course, opening and closing right here, the liner lock. We have a carry clip right in the back. It's well made. And let's save the best for last, is that if you have a flashlight, you can kind of see the guts of this knife altogether. Let's take a look and see the guts of it. And yeah, this is cool. You can see inside of it because this whole entire thing is transparent and it's built out of amber on the side. It's like amber-like material all together here, and I really like this addition to this. It makes this knife look much more slicker and beautiful, especially this thing right here. And we don't have the actual real sun here, but you can see that as you turn this on and turn it off, it makes it very pretty and beautiful, the actual design. Of course, if you don't have the sun on, you have direct light or indirect, you also can see the way it looks like. And seeing the guts on the inside of this knife is absolutely gorgeous. I think that if you're looking for an awesome knife with an easy way for you to deploy, this is something you should consider, the miniature edition, especially if you need one that is down to size per se. Now, to open it up, there's 3 ways for you to do this. One way is to grab it, open it up. Second way, use your finger and open this up just like this. And the third way, which is the one for not for everybody to use, is pretty much just grab this thing like this, and you really should grab it with one hand, but it's much harder to do so. And you're just pushing this just like this, and it will open up just like that. See, super quick. Now that one is definitely for people who are much more experienced with opening knives. That's why I used it with two hands, but you supposedly could do that with one hand too. You can just grab it like this. If you hold it very tight, you're able to do this as well. but it's much easier if you cheat just a little bit and it opens up just like that. So overall, very great knife, a lot of awesome features that are included with this. Really consider this as your next EDC if you're looking for a cheap, with a nice entry price knife that you can use.